Today I'm gonna show you how to test your radiator if it's leaking right before you replace it at your parts store. You can rent one of these radiator testers. Okay, what you want to do, you want to make sure the radiator is bad and it's not a hose or something else like that. So in this case we have a Japanese car. This is a Nissan. This is a Maxima? No, this is not a Maxima. Nissan Altima. This is a 2012. So we're gonna use this adapter for these Japanese cars. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna instead to remove your radiator cap, and you're gonna install this adapter, pretending that's the radiator cap. Twist it all the way on. Okay, nice and tight. Now this is gonna be your radiator cap in this case. You're gonna put it on, same thing, and make sure you flip this. Okay, that's it. Now what you're gonna do, this looks like a regular pump to air up your bicycle tires. What you're gonna do, you're gonna make sure it's full with antifreeze, and you're gonna pump it. I was trying to do one hand. Let's see if it goes up. Yeah, it's going up. Okay, so you wanna go up. Okay, and once it builds enough pressure, I see the leak. It's right there. You see it? It's leaking right there. Right next to the hose is a crack on the radiator. So that confirms that it's not the hose, it's the radiator. So all the pressure, it went down. Now to release the pressure, you turn this again, and that will release the air, whatever's left, and take it out. Take the adapter out, and you can rent that piece in our alley, AutoZone, whatever. Actually they let you borrow it for free. But yeah, before you go crazy buying parts, make sure that's what you need. And if you're not ready to do it, you can ask a mechanic to get it done for you. Now, how much the mechanic should charge you to do this job, you can go and you can Google it. Right? You can go straight to your computer and just go on Google. Let's see, and just type. You see how much it costs to replace the radiator in a 2012 Nissan Altima. Now it will show you replacing the radiator. It will cost around $650 in a local shop, or $1,300 and your dealer. But now you have an idea. Don't go to your mechanic thinking that it's gonna be $50. So now you have an idea. You go check it out. Prices, they might be a little bit lower or higher, depends how the mechanic feels that day. Unfortunately, that's how it goes. All right, good luck. Bye bye.